guys and dolls, divinedivak here, and I am here to share with you a small makeup haul that I did at Sephora and the new Morphe store at the mall that I shop at. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from the Sephora VIB Rouge, this is the first weekend, I did order online, but this is what I got from the store itself. And so it's just a small haul, and so that's why I'm putting something that I got from Morphe. So I went to a Morphe store. This is the first time there's a Morphe store in my area, and I said, oh, this is a chance for me to try something new. And so I went in. It was interesting. It was very big, very spacious, a lot of space. So I will share that with you. So I'll start with what I got from the Morphe store, because I really didn't get a whole bunch. So this is the bag. I have enough eyeshadows. I have been fighting with myself. I might end up next weekend buying the Viseart Dark Mattes palette, but Lord knows I don't need another palette. I have tons of palettes, and I will link my palette collection above. I don't need any more palettes, and in fact, since that one, I think I bought a couple of palettes. So I don't really need any other palettes. So the only thing I was interested in at the Morphe store were brushes. So what I got 3 brushes. Got a powder brush. I thought this was going to be really, really nice. I have an IT powder brush, and when this is dirty, which this is, I really don't have any brush to put powder on with. Now they're two completely different shapes, but I'm thinking that this is going to be great for buffing powder on my face. And I did get a bunch of powders. That's what I purchased on my Sephora VIB this first weekend. There was a hair there. I got powders, so I need to have my powder brushes clean and ready to be used. So this is what I bought. It is the Morphe R0. So I'm looking forward to using that. And then I wanted something that I could use under my eyes, so I could pack powder under my eyes. So I got the Morphe. I wish I could see. I pretend like I can see, and I really don't know why I still pretend. But here we go. The Morphe R5. Morphe R5. So I figure I can kind of get underneath my eyes and share out the powder that I put to highlight. The last one that I got was a Morphe R43. If you can see it. So I figured I would get under my eyes just to kind of buff out. So the 3 brushes that I got from Morphe, 2 face brushes and an eye brush. So that's what I got from Morphe. What I got from the actual Sephora store I got 2 items, 3 items. I got Herbivore Phoenix, which is a rose hip oil. I was finding it's moving into winter, and I want to have an oil that I can put on my skin. This was pricey, but actually not as pricey as like the Luna oil. And this is a rejuvenating oil. So this has thornbuck seed. Is it thorn? Okay, I just need to keep the glasses on. It has jojoba. Jojoba is the seed oil, is the first oil in it. And one of the things that about jojoba seed oil is that it is the closest to the sebum, or the oils that your skin produces naturally. It has rose hip seed oil, meadow foam seed oil, and chia seed oil. Oh, and the sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil. And that one is the one that I think that's the one in Vintner's Daughter, if I'm correct. I think that's the one, or I've seen people using that sea buck whatever oil, and they have had really good results. And I am trying out the P90, and I know that a lot of people who use that use an oil too. So that was one of the things that I purchased, and it was a Gothmista. She's somebody on YouTube who does a lot of skincare videos, and she mentioned that this would be a good thing to buy, and so I'm going to try it. And then I got the Sephora 98 brush. I'm going to use that for highlighting. The brush that I currently use for highlighting is a Morphe brush, M500. Yeah, M500 is the brush that I currently use for highlighting. So it's kind of big when I try to highlight my nose or my Cupid's bow. It's okay for the cheeks, but I'm going to try this one because it's a little bit smaller, and I'm not going to fight to get this off. It's going to take me too long. And then I got 2 of the Hot Sauce Sephora lip pencils. Andrea Renee talked about this being like her favorite unsung lip pencil. And so I wanted to try it out. I tried it on my hand. I liked the color, so I said, okay, you know what? Let me get 2 of these, because it was only $12 each, and you get 20% off of that, so it was definitely worth my while. So that is what I got in my Sephora haul for this, at least in-store first round. What'd you get? Let's have a comment below. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe. You stayed to the end, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.